Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make very simple and easy rice. I am making 5 cups of rice, so I have added 10 cups of water to a pan. And the general rule is to add 1 level teaspoon of salt per 1 cup of rice. Also add a few sticks of cinnamon. I have also added half a cup of milk. This is to make the rice nice and fluffy. Now to add the butter or oil, or in my case I use clarified butter. I use 2 teaspoons of that. Put the gas on high to ensure that the clarified butter melts nicely and the water comes to a simmer. Next up, it's time to wash the rice. I usually wash the rice around 3 times to remove any starch and do this with cold water. Partially cover the rice with a lid just to make sure that it's simmering correctly. Be careful just to ensure that it doesn't overspill. Once it has reached boiling stage, cover the pan fully and move to the side. Add a flat plate to the gas and let this heat up for a few minutes. Add the pot of rice onto the heated flat plate and let the rice cook. This shouldn't take too long, around 20 minutes. The flat plate will ensure that your rice is very fluffy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.